Welcome back. As you can see behind me, it's time to do this 120 cubic inch fuel moto kit on this road glide. So we have taken the time already to keep things moving. We've taken the seat off, air cleaner off, floorboards, foot pegs, all that necessary stuff, including the exhaust system. So the exhaust system's going off for HPC coating to be done in black, as well as all the chrome covers, primary cover, rocker covers, things like that are going off for HPC coating. So let's get on with this vlog and strip this Milwaukee 8 down.